Hello guys, welcome back into my YouTube channel. You all know who I am, so let's get head straight to business. And if you do not know who I am, subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out most of my recent videos. Okay, let's head straight into business. Okay, so this is the stuff I'm talking about. Most of you must have heard of it. VeryChat mining. It's kind of very popular for those of you who have heard of it, and those of you who have been doing it before, one way or the other giving up on it. Okay, so what I'll be talking on today will be how to mine. How to mine for those who are new to it, how to complete simple tasks, how to do your KYC, and how to place withdrawal. Yes, place withdrawal. So, but first things first, speaking about the withdrawal, there's not a withdrawal there, although you've heard, yeah, people are actually withdrawing from there isn't a withdrawal option. There isn't a withdrawal option, but you can sell your token. So this is exclusive for only my community alone. So once you get once you do your KYC, you can bring your VeryChat token to me and I'll buy all of it that you've mined. I will buy it at a good rate. So all you have to do is just mine, and when you done your KYC, bring them to me. I will buy it and give you money in naira or what currency you prefer. Okay. So that's how you can easily make money. So you mine, bring it to me, and I will buy it. That's it. Okay, so as you can see my balance right here. I nearly started it. Yes, I nearly started it, although it has been confirmed before sharing this update with you that it's actually working and you can actually earn from it. And at the way it is really being confirmed, because if it was not confirmed, if I have not confirmed the stuff, I will not be willing to buy the coin from you. Okay, because I'll be at loss then. Okay, so uh, getting over to the next, what we're going to talk about next, we're going to talk about how to mine and how to navigate through this platform. Now, if you are to mine, there's a mining icon down below. There's a mining icon down below here. You can always just click on mine, then come here, plant your tree. And start mining. Okay, that's one of the first feature you can use to earn VeryChat token. That's one of the features. So as you can see here, like I told you guys, I started recently, so I was able to get 100 VeryChat token because someone invited me. Not because I invited someone, because someone invited me. I used someone's referral code. So once you use someone's referral code, or once you use my referral code or anyone, you will get 100 VeryChat token. If not, if you go ahead and create account without someone else's verification code, you will be receiving over just 0.0 VeryChat token. You just have to start all over again. Okay, that's for that. So other ways to earn. Here is your lucky boss. Here is your rain with fasting, your mining growth, your mining plan growth. Then there is boost time. If you come over to reward section, now there's a new tax on what's name on VeryChat. It is advisable at the moment you create an account, the first thing you do is to create is to participate in this this thing. After creating using my referral code, first thing is to participate in this tax. It is really advisable that the first thing you should do is participate in this tax, because it will help you linking your Twitter and your Telegram accounts to this stuff. We have the VeryChat app quickly notice that you are a human being and not a bot. A human being. Okay, so this is what I have been mining. Okay, so also there is steps for those of you who are good at working. There is steps here. You can also enter your steps. Okay, you can also enter your steps. As you can see, total steps for today 0. This is about 5 a.m. in the morning. I'm actually using US time, so you will get my time might be different from yours. This is about 5 to 6 a.m. in the morning. This is about 5 to 6 a.m. in the morning. Okay, so 1,000 step, just like that, just like that, just like that. And daily reward. Now, this is one of the most important parts of this stuff. Daily reward. Okay, this daily streak. Okay, so as you can see, every 24 hours, not every day, every 24 hours, you must claim this thing every single day. You must claim this stuff every 24 hours. Yeah, it's very, very compulsory. I'll tell you the reason why it's very, very compulsory when it gets time for KYC. Okay, when I'm talking about KYC. Okay, so here's your wallet. Now, this is very, very important. Before doing your KYC, it is advisable that you must always do your wallet. You must always create a wallet. So make sure you create a wallet, copy your seed phrase, keep it somewhere safe. Keep it somewhere safe. Then when you keep it somewhere safe, create a pin, and also please do not forget your pin. If you can forget your pin, you have to put your seed phrase, but do not forget your pin. So actually, this is my wallet. As you can see right here, my VeryChat token is 0.000. Okay, the reason being that because I have not done what? I have not done my KYC. Yes, I have not done my KYC for this platform. Now, I want to talk about KYC now. Now, for you to be eligible for KYC, you must use this platform to mine consistently for 30 days. Then, after then, and then only will the KYC portal be available for you. So let's imagine you mined over this stuff for 30 days. You mine for 30 days, you earn a lot from them. After 30 days, you decide to sell your token. You can come to my DM, and maybe before 30 days, you can accumulate over 100,000 plus just from mining this stuff alone. Just from mining this stuff alone, you can gain over 100,000 plus. And why they are doing it like this? Because of most people just to gain referrals are actually using boots to what's name to boots to create do more referrals. So at the end of the day, this platform is getting scammed. So because of that, you are what's name they created this system to fish out those people who are using both referrals. Okay, as you can see right here, it's advisable that you use this at the top of my screen right here. You use this for that you can get maximum speed, because most times it takes a lot of time to load, but when you're using that, it will not take time to load. Yes, it will not take time to load. Okay, that's it. That's for that. That's what that's about KYC. And another way you can also earn is through referrals. Yeah, it is through referrals. So as on my screen, you are seeing an option showing get referral. As you can see, I have referred 0 persons. I have not referred anybody. Okay, so you say get 100 get 100 very coin very token now. So once I click invite, to take me to the invite page. Now this is what happened. So once I invite someone, like I told you guys when someone invited me, once I invite someone, I will get 100 VeryChat. The person gets 100 VeryChat. You see it? Okay, that's just the first benefit. Okay, and then second benefit is that when the person earn, I think over 50 VeryChats, we earn over 50 VeryChats for, yes, I will earn over 50 VeryChats. Okay, and another thing is that I will get 3 times the mining power that I have currently. If I invite a friend, I will get times 3 of what I have. Okay, so that is for that, and that's everything you need to know about VeryChat mining platform. So guys, I'll be leaving the link down below to what's the name, to create an account. So make sure to use my referral code or use my link to sign up, and I'll be dropping my referral code in case there's an option to put referral codes. You can use my referral code any of them when signing up your account. Please don't sign up with Google, just put in your email and put in the referral code. Okay, that's for that. See you guys in my next video.